Well, now it's time to open this up and get into the engine bay and remove the fan and replace it. Replace the belt tensioner and have a look at the radiator. Well, here we go. First, let's remove the seat. The side cover comes off. Two bolts have to come out. Then the side cover off gives us access to the cotter pin that holds the four-wheel drive lever in place, and then we have to take the nut off here so that we can disconnect the gear shift, and then this whole panel comes off. So this has got to be disconnected. Just need to force that out now because I've taken the screw out. That's done. Remove this cotter pin. It's in a bit of an awkward spot and I've had to take this out a few times. So I've actually cut this part of the panelling out to make it a bit easier. So we now have this whole gear shift panel disconnected. Lift it up and pull backwards. I've already had the viscous coupling off and disconnected the fan just so it's easier to see. This bolt is actually quite large and it turns in the opposite direction, so to undo it you've got to go that way, and I needed to make sure that the other pulleys wouldn't move with it, so I had to lock the pulley with these bolts here and a small bar similar to this. Get under there and hold it and then turn it the opposite way and out she comes. And this is the undoing direction, which is a bit hard to get used to. That comes off. Off camera I have also removed the belt tensioner and the belt, so I've got the new ones coming, new fan coming. I'm just going to take the radiator out shortly and then I shall be able to fix that and put it all back together.